Hi, and welcome to the Spool of Cable demo. This is a spool of cable. It is 250 feet. It can go all the way up to 1,000 feet. Normally you would use blue cable, but blue cable was on back order, so I had to order some white cable. If you look here at the cabling, you will see some designations here in writing. It is all labeled by feet and the compliance, the maker, and you can see that marking the EIA TIA 568, and it was verified up to UL standards. Unshielded twisted pair UDP, and talks about it was tested up to 500 megahertz. So when you buy it in the spool, you're usually running long runs of cable. So that is why they give you the footage on the cable, so that way you know how much you used. In a corporate environment, you charge by the product used. So that's why the technicians need to know how much cable they use. So they use these markings and show proof of what they used. Normally in the environment, again, you would use a blue cable, and but they were back ordered, so we got some white cable to show you what a spool looks like. The other type of cabling is in a box. It's the same deal. It has a spool, but inside of a box for easier moving around. You would label the cabling while you're running it from the box or the spool, so you know which spool you ran it from, so that way you can easily mark the sides and tone it out. So this is just a very quick show of what cabling looks like in a spool, and hopefully this helps you, and we'll see you in the next video.